Alrighty, so we're currently, the homie's picking up money at 7-Eleven really quick. He's gonna pick up money. We're gonna get some new headers for him. He's gonna get some DC headers. He has Megans, but he wants to run a different kind just because he read on the forums that they're not that great. So we're gonna go pick up a DC header today at San Marcos. So it's gonna be quite a drive, but we're gonna go ahead and get it, and I'm gonna vlog this whole thing. I'm really liking this whole vlogging thing. I'm getting more comfortable with this, so we're gonna go ahead and do it. But it's gonna be sick, and I'm just gonna enjoy the ride.
What's going on, man?
What's going on, dude?
How's it going, man?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Been here for a minute.
There it is. Nice. So it's got everything.
They don't want it anymore or something?
No, one of my renters decided to ditch his place without taking anything, so this is one of the things he left behind.
Okay. So you're in, like, it's not even yours then, basically? I mean...
Oh, I called the sheriff's department and everything.
Okay.
Everything's been properly dealt with.
Alright.
Yeah, they did. It was about 6 months ago everything happened.
I'll do some shit.
Alright, yeah. Alright, cool.
We're gonna pick up the headers. They're all good. So everything checked out. We're good. We're gonna go ahead and get them and go home, back home to traffic. There's a ton, but
So they left
there it is, that baby.
Couches are old.
Yeah, that shit's clean. So he's gonna have a DC header now. I have a K-Tune one with the PLM exhaust. He has a Megan with the K-Tuned exhaust. So now he's gonna put that one on and then run his everything. But we're gonna get everything built out soon. There it is, baby's right there. Install next week or what?
Next week, bro.
Next week, gotta install these beach. Oh yeah, that's tight. It was worth it. Oh shit.
That's good.
I think I locked it, I hope. But time to go home. Time to go home now and just chill all day.
What the fuck is this shit?
We're gonna install it next week, so we're gonna get that going next week. It'll be dope. Homie's pumping gas. Homie's pumping gas at the gas station. So we're not gonna do the install today, so I'm gonna vlog and continue it till next week. And next week we're gonna install the header. So not today. Alright, so all the homies are in here. We're about to install. Oh wait, we're about to install a header. So he has a Megan header, but he didn't want it, and we picked up a. Oh wait, it is the second week. Dumb being. All right, I need to get better at these intros, but we got the header that we're gonna throw on today. So that's gonna go on today, and we're gonna install it and see how it goes. And I got a sound of how it sounded with the Megan headers, and then I'm gonna get another sound of how it sounds with the DC header. So it's a DC header with a K-tuned exhaust. So we're gonna do that today and get it done. We're gonna raise the car up so we can get under and uninstall more of that from that end right there. So we're gonna do that and get it uninstalled and then pop it in, get the new one on, and to be sick. Oh, fuck.
14.
Oh, 14? Yeah. So we got the header right here. We just gotta undo the sway bar now. That's not letting it go through. And we're gonna pop it in. That sounds through the back.
Yeah. Thanks.
Back there. And there it is, the other one. That was welded apparently. But he don't want it.
TJ special right here.
So we're gonna install the other one right now. Alright, so as you can see, the header's right there getting installed right now.
Alright, should be
bolted on. Oh, I almost slipped.
You did? Hold on.
So we're gonna put it in through here now. Problem? And get it over there. So the new header is installed already. Come on, focus. So you guys can see it's right there. All nice and polished and everything. And this boy's over here doing some goofy shit. No, he's tying it up, but it's right there. Try and get under and get you guys the whole view of it. kind of want to call it a big. There it is. And it connects all the way up motherfucking there. But this is DC header. The K-tune exhaust. I wasn't here most of the time because I had to take the dog to the vet.
Some peanut butter.
Yep. But it's all set now. But we're gonna wait for the sound and all that shit. Alright, so he's about to do the startup. Snap!
I think I'm looking like a rooster, dog.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Shut the fuck up. Start filming, dude.
When they take child support, bro?
But he's about to turn it on, so we're gonna hear it right now. So you guys got the sound of how it sounded and stuff?
Don't sound that bad.
Doesn't sound bad.
It is quiet though, like.
Yeah, it's a tad bit quiet.
So that was the DC header sound.
More
But
horsepower.
can't focus it.
I don't know where to find out.
So that was the DC header sound. You guys got the sound of it. I'm gonna do it before and after, that way you guys can hear it. But it sounded the same. I mean, sounded the same.
Here, bro.
Yes.